In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner to add an audio file. Hit Files and tap on Audio at the top. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, click on it to attach it. To add a video on, select Gallery section instead by clicking on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Hit your video here. Or if you can't find it, select Folders and look for it here. Then tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!